Welcome to Dakota County, Minnesota, where the winters are long and harsh. With temperatures dropping well below freezing, it's essential to have a well-functioning HVAC system in your home. And that's where Bob Boldt HVAC comes in. With over 20 years of experience, Bob Boldt HVAC is the leading HVAC company in Dakota County. Our team of expert technicians is trained to handle all your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning needs. Don't just take our word for it, our satisfied customers speak for themselves. We take pride in providing top-notch service, ensuring that your HVAC system runs smoothly and efficiently, keeping your home warm and comfortable during the coldest of winters. We offer a wide range of services, from installation to maintenance and repairs, for all types of HVAC systems. Whether you have a furnace, heat pump, or air conditioner, we have got you covered. Contact us today. Does Bob Boldt HVAC offer emergency HVAC services? Yes, Bob Boldt HVAC understands that heating and cooling emergencies can occur at any time. They offer 24/7 emergency services throughout Dakota County, Minnesota, ensuring homeowners and businesses get prompt and efficient repairs when they need them most. How often should I schedule HVAC maintenance with Bob Boldt HVAC? It is recommended to schedule HVAC maintenance at least twice a year, once before summer for your air conditioning system and once before winter for your heating system. Bob Boldt HVAC offers routine maintenance plans to help keep your system running efficiently and to prevent costly repairs down the line. How can I improve the energy efficiency of my HVAC system? Bob Boldt HVAC can help you enhance your system's energy efficiency through regular maintenance, upgrading to a high-efficiency unit, and recommending improvements like installing programmable thermostats or zoning systems. They can also inspect your home for insulation and ductwork issues that may be affecting your HVAC performance. Where is Bob Boldt HVAC located? We are located at 8400 Normandale Lake Boulevard, Bloomington, Minnesota 55437. Our phone number is 651-237-3254. Visit our website, www.bobhvac.com/Bloomington-MN/.